Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Filmora and loading your media. This ensures you edit the right files. Once done, go straight to File, Project Settings to check the current canvas ratio and resolution so you won't resize after lengthy edits. Make sure to pick the target ratio, 16:9 for widescreen, 9:16 for vertical, or 1:1 for social posts. Because Filmora scales differently, and choosing early preserves framing and avoids pixel loss later. With the canvas set, drag clips onto the timeline and select a clip to open transform controls. This is where you change scale and position to fit the new ratio. You'll want to zoom slightly or reposition so important subjects stay inside the safe area, otherwise they'll be cut off. Once you've adjusted one clip, copy attributes or use crop and zoom to apply consistent framing across similar shots, making the sequence look cohesive without repeatedly manual tweaking each clip. Finish by exporting with settings that match your chosen ratio and resolution. This preserves quality and avoids automatic letterboxing. Once the file is exported, preview at full size to confirm edges and subject framing are correct, and make sure motion graphics or text remain readable. If you see black bars or unwanted cropping, go back, use scale to fill or slightly enlarge the canvas, and re-export. That one troubleshooting step fixes most ratio problems without redoing your whole.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.